It looks like a dream, a top-tier luxury sedan for the price of a used Honda. But behind that badge lies a financial nightmare. The used luxury market is full of bargains that are actually sophisticated traps for the unwary buyer. Welcome to the ultimate deception. Today, we are counting down 7 luxury cars that will make you broke. These are the maintenance nightmares you must avoid at all costs, starting with the BMW 7 Series, specifically the F021 and F022 generations. It's a masterpiece of engineering until the warranty expires. Under the hood, you'll find complex wiring and seals that love to leak. Once the oil starts dripping, your bank account starts draining. Electronics failures are common, and the dashboard often lights up like a Christmas tree. Expect $5,000 surprises as a routine part of ownership. Next up, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, W221 and W222. It's the gold standard of luxury. But its air suspension is a ticking time bomb. Replacing aromatic components can cost more than the car's remaining value. Add in complex transmission issues, and you have a recipe for disaster. The Range Rover HSE is a symbol of status, but it's also a frequent visitor to the repair shop. It's legendary for its unreliability. You'll often see these on the back of a tow truck. Critical engine failures and electrical gremlins haunt every single owner of this SUV. The interior is beautiful, but that check engine light will become a permanent fixture in your driving experience. It never truly goes away. Moving to the Jaguar XJ, its curves are breathtaking, but the beauty is skin deep. Underneath, it's a mechanical nightmare waiting to happen. Thermostat failures can lead to sudden overheating, and the electronics are notoriously capricious. Even minor repairs require a specialized and expensive mechanic. The early generations of the Audi Q7 seem like great family haulers. However, they are heavy on the road and even heavier on the wallet. Heavy oil consumption is a frequent complaint, and the sheer weight of the vehicle leads to incredibly fast brake and tire wear. For the performance lovers, there's the Maserati Quattroporte. That Ferrari-derived engine sounds incredible, but the repair bills are even louder. The clutch and transmission are notoriously fragile. Owners often find their Italian masterpiece sitting idle in a dusty garage, awaiting parts from overseas. Finally, the BMW X5 E70. It's a sporty, capable SUV, but the cooling system and turbochargers are its Achilles heel. Overheating issues can occur without warning, and a turbocharger failure can easily total the car's remaining market value. It's a high-stakes gamble if you want luxury without the drama. Consider a brand like Lexus. Research every model before you sign that title and commit your savings. Luxury is only enjoyable when it works. Subscribe for more warnings and car buying advice. Stay safe out there on the used market.